The following Buddhist recitals and the sutras in the Pali language is followed by an English translation of great use for our devotees to understand the nature of their life and also to contemplate, to get a clear picture of the life and nature. These recitals can be used for meditation by listening to them attentively. The titles are, first, Meditation on the Buddha. 2. Meditation on loving kindness. 3. Meditation on the impurities of the body. 4. Meditation on death. 5. Recollection of 8 sorrowful stages of life. 6. Salla Sutta, the arrow of grief. 7. Vijaya Sutta, dissolution of victory. 8. A reflection on the loss of children, wealth, etc. 9. Meditation on the impermanency of life. 10. Meditation on the 3 characteristics of everything in this world. 11. Transference of merit to the departed. 12. Some guidance for meditation.
Meditation on the Buddha. Buddhanussati nittata asubhang maranassati iti ima chaturārakkhā bhikkhu bhāveya sīlavā.
For their protection, all persons should practice the following 4 objects of meditation: reflection on the Buddha, compassion, unsatisfactoriness, and reflection on death.
Ananta vittara gunam gunita nusarang muni bhaveya buddhima bhikkhu buddhanussati madita.
All intelligent persons should meditate and reflect on the Buddha, who has endless, all-embracing qualities and virtues.
Savasane kileseso eko sabbe nighatya ahosu suddha santano pujananca sadaraho.
The Buddha alone has destroyed all the impurities, together with certain worldly habits which remains in a person even after attaining sainthood. He has an extremely pure mind, and therefore is always worthy of reverence.
Sabba kala gatte dhamme sabbe samma sayang muni sabba karena buddhitta eko sabbanyutang rato.
The Buddha has rightly realized by himself in every way all matters relating to all times, and has attained enlightenment.
Vipassana dividyahi siladi charanehita Susamiddehi sampanno gaganadhehi nayako.
The Buddha's knowledge and wisdom and insight and morality are as vast as the sky.
Sammagato subhantanang amoghavacano caso tidhasapi lokassa nyata niravasesato.
The Buddha has rightly gone to the blissful state, is gifted with fruitful speech. He has known the three worlds throughout.
Anekehi gunoghehi sabba sattuttamo aho anekehi upayehi naradamme dhamehicha.
By his various good qualities, the Buddha has become supreme among all beings. He has trained by various ways those who should be trained.
Eko sabbassa lokassa sabba sattanusasako bhagya issariyadinam gunanam paramonidhi.
The Buddha was a teacher in all matters to the entire world. He is a noble treasure for qualities such as blessings and progress.
Sanyasya sabba dhammesu karuna sabba jantusu attathanam karattanam sadhika gunajettika.
The Buddha's wisdom is directed towards all matters, and his compassion is extended over all beings. He has liberated himself and others. He is supreme in all qualities.
Dayaya paramiditva panyayatthanamuddhari uddhari sabba dhamme ca dayayannita uddhari.
The Buddha enlightened himself by the wisdom gained through the perfections created by himself by preaching the Dhamma in all possible ways, and he liberated others through his compassion.
Dissamano pitavassa rupakayo atintyo asadharana jnanadde dhammakaye kathavakati.
The material form of the Buddha, which is visible, in itself is unthinkable. How much more would it be with regard to his Dharmakaya, or the doctrinal body, endowed with the highest wisdom?
Meditation on loving kindness. Attupamaya sabbesang sattanang sukha kamatang tassita kamato mettang sabba sattesu bhavaye.
Having compared oneself with others, one should practice loving kindness towards all beings, realizing that everyone desires happiness.
Sukhi bhaveyang niddukho ahang niccang ahang viya itaca me sukhi hantu madhyatta taca verino.
May I be free free from sorrow. May I always be happy. May those who desire my welfare, those who are indifferent towards me, and those who hate me, also be happy.
Imam hi gamakyetam hi sattahantu sukhi sada tato paranca rajyesu cakkavalesu jantuno.
May all beings who live in this area and those who live in other countries and in this world system be happy.
Samanta cakkavalesu sattanang tesu panino sukhino puggala bhutatta bhavagattasiyam.
May all beings living in every world system and each element of life within such systems be happy, for they have achieved the highest state of happiness.
Tatha ittri pumaceva ariyanariyapita devanara apayatha tatha dasa disasu chati.
Likewise, women, men, good and bad ones, gods and those in suffering states, and those living in the 10 directions, may all these beings be happy.
Meditation on the impurities of the body. Aviññāna subha nibhaṃ saviññāna subhaṃ nimāṃ kāyaṃ asubhato passaṃ asubhaṃ bhāvayati.
The person having understood this body as unsatisfactory, as a conscious and unconscious object, should meditate on its unsatisfactoriness.
Vanna santana gandhehi asayo kasato tatha patikulani kaye me kunapani disolasa.
There are 32 impure parts in the body. They are really disgusting in respect of color, form, elements and space.
Patitam hapi kunapade guccang kaya nisitang adharo hi sucitas Kayo tukuna petitang.
The impure parts within the body are more repulsive than those that fall from the body. Since in the case of the impurities that fall from the body, they are not so impure after their fall, while the body itself rests on impurities.
Nilhe kimiva kayo yang asuchim hi samuddhito anto asuchi sampunno punnavacca kutiya.
Like a worm born in dirt, this body is also born in dirt. Like a pot full of dirt, this body is full of impurities.
Asuchi sandate nityang yatha medakatalika nana kimikulavaso pakka chandanikavya.
Just as fat pulls itself out of a pot full of fat, even so impure matter flows out from this body. Like a pot full of dirt, this body is a home for innumerable germs.
Gandhabhuto, Rogabhuto, Anabhuto, Samussayo, Atekicho, Pijegucho, Pabhinna Kunapupamoti.
This body is like a boil, a disease, a wound. It is incurable. It is extremely unsatisfactory. It can be compared to a decomposed corpse.
Meditation on death. Savata tulyaya sayu santati akhyang sarupamaya sampasang bhavaye maranasati.
Having seen with wisdom the end of life in others, one should meditate on death as a lamp kept in a windy place.
Mahasampatti sampattayatha satta mataida tathahang marissami maranang mamahesati.
In this world, beings who once enjoyed great prosperity will die. Even so will I too die. Death will indeed come to me.
Uppattiya sahevedang maranang agatang sada maranattaya okasang vadako viyaisati.
This death has come along with birth. Therefore, like an executioner, death always awaits an opportunity.
Isakang anivattang tang sattatang gamanusukang jivitang udayattang suryo viyadhavati.
Life, without stopping for a moment, ever keen on moving, runs like the sun that moves to set after its rise.
Vidyu bubbula ussava jalaraji parikhayang ghatako variputasya sabbathapi avaryo.
The life comes to an end like a bolt of lightning, a bubble of water, a dewdrop on a leaf, or a line drawn on water. Like an enemy intent on killing, death can never be avoided. Life cannot escape from death.
Sriyasattama punyidhi buddhi uddhe jinadhyang Ghate si maranang kipang katumadisake kata.
Death did come to all the Buddhas who had great knowledge, power, and wisdom. What about an ordinary person like me?
Taccayananca vikalya bahirajjattu paddha maramurang nimesapi maramano anukhananti.
O Life is uncertain. I may die within the twinkling of an eye. I may die without food, or through internal ailments, or external injuries.
Recollection of 8 sorrowful stages of life. Bhavitva chaturaraka avajjaya anantarang mahasangvegavatthuni atthaticha viryo.
The person who has put forth effort and practiced this fourfold protective meditation should think about the eightfold sorrowful stages of life.
Jati jara vyadhi chutti apaya atita apattakavata dukkhang idani ahara gavetti dukkhang sangvegavatthuni maniyatha.
The sorrow relating to birth, old age, disease, death, the spirit world, the past cycle of birth, the future cycle of birth, and the sorrow experienced in the search for food in the present life. These are the 8 sorrowful stages of life.
Sato ca sayamapi ceva imang vidhinyo asevate satatamatta hitabilasi sappoti soti vipulang hatta paripanto Tang sukhang muni visitta matang sukhena chati.
A person who desires his own welfare should practice this meditation regularly in the morning and in the evening. He will destroy the hindrances and happily attain the supreme state of nirvana, appreciated by the Buddha as the highest bliss.
Sallasutta, the arrow of grief. Animitta manang nyatang maccanang nidhajivitang kasiranca parittanca tanca dukkena sangyutang.
The life of human beings in this world, big and full of sorrow and misery, cannot be calculated or measured.
Mahiso pakkamo attiyena jata namiyare jarampi patva maranang evang dhammahi panino.
There is no way by which one who is born can escape death. Having attained old age, death will surely come.
Phalanamiva pakkanang pato patanato bhayang evang jatana maccanang nityang maranato bhayang.
Just as righteous must fall, even so, men who are born must always have the fear of death.
Yathapi kumbhakarassa katang mattika bhajana sabbe vedana pariyantang evang maccana jivitang.
Just as earthen vessel made by a potter is sure to break. Even so, the life of men is sure to end.
Daharac mahantac e balaec pandita sabbe maccu asangyanti sabbe maccu parayana.
The young, the old, the wise and the foolish, all these come under the wing of death.
Kesang maccu paretanang gacchataṃ paralokato napita kayate puttaṃ ñāti vāpananyātake.
No father can save his son, no relative can save his relative when it is time to depart in death.
Sekkataṃ eva ñātinaṃ passalālapataṃ puttho ekameko maccānaṃ go ajjo viyaniyati.
While relatives are watching and sorrowing, see how living beings are led to death, like cows led to a slaughterhouse.
Evamabhahato loko maccunaca jarayaca tasmadhirana socanti viditva loka pariyayam.
Since beings are attacked by death and old age, the wise ones, knowing the nature of this world, do not sorrow.
Yassa maggang na janati agatasya gatasya ca ubhoante asampasang nirattang paridevasi.
It is meaningless for you to cry over the dead, since you do not know from where they come or where they go.
Paridevaya mano ce kincidattang udabbahe sammulho hingsamattanang kairacetang vicakkana.
Crying will not heal. The mourner should understand that their sorrows cannot heal simply by crying for the departed.
Nahirunnena sokena samtim pappoti cetaso biyasupajjate dukkhang sarirang cupanyati.
Peace of mind is not attained by crying. Crying only brings grief. It hurts the body.
Kiso vivanno bhavati hingsamattāna mattano natena peta palenti nirattang paridevana.
Weeping only makes the mourner weak and pale. It does not help the departed. Therefore, weeping is useless.
Sokamapajahang jantung bhiyo dukkhang nigacchati anutthanam to kalakatang sokasya vasamannago.
If he does not give up sorrow, he proceeds to greater pain. he only goes deeper into the realm of sorrow.
Anyepi passa gamino yatha kammu pragenare Macchuno asamagamma phandante vidhapanino.
Observe how others born in this world, according to their good or bad deeds, must also tremble under the influence of death.
Yena yena hi manyanti tato tang hoti anyata etadiso vina bhavo passa lokassa pariyayam.
In whatever manner people take things, these things turn out to be otherwise. Such is the opposite nature of things. Observe thus the nature of the world.
Apiche vassa satang dive bhiyo apanamanavo Jnati sangha vina hoti jahati dhagitam.
Even if a man were to live 100 years or more, at last he has still to give up his life and leave his friends and relatives.
Tasmarahato sutta vineya paridevanam Vetang kala katang diswana solabhamaya iti.
Listening to saints, seeing a person's death, control your emotions.
Yatha saranamadittang varina parinibbaye Iampi dhiro sappanyo pandito kusalo naro Kippamuppatitang sokang vato thulang vadangsaye.
Just as one would put out a burning house with water, let the wise man quickly remove grief.
Paridevang pajappancha domanasang cha attano sukhamesano abbaye sallamattano.
Let a person who desires his own welfare take out by himself the errors for which he is responsible.
Abbulha sallo asito samting pappuya cetaso sabba sokang atikkanto asoko hoti nibbutoti.
Having taken out these sorrows and having attained mental ease, he becomes blessed and freed from grief. He overcomes all sorrows.
Vijaya Sutta, disillusion or victory. Charangaya divatitang nisinno davasayang Samminjeti pasareti sakayasa injana.
If while walking, standing, sitting or lying down, a person were to draw in or stretch forth a limb, it is only a movement of the human body.
Attinaharu samyutta tacca mangsavale pano Charyakayo paticchano yatha bhutang nadissati.
This body, formed with bones, joints, covered with flesh and tissues, and covered with skin, does not appear in its real form.
Antapuro darapuro yakapelassa vattino hadayassa pappahassa vakkassa pihakassa ca.
Within this body is filled with intestines, liver, stomach, heart and bladder, kidneys, lungs and spleen.
Singhanikaya kelassa sedassa medassa ca lohitassa lasikaya pittassa ca vasaya ca.
This body is also stuffed with spittle, mucus, sweat and blood, and with joints lubricating bile and fat.
Athassa navahi sotehi asuci savati sabbada akhimha akhi guthako kannanha kanna guthako.
Furthermore, from 9 openings of this body, there always issue forth impure substances, like filth discharged from the ears.
Singhanikacana sato mukhena vamate kada Pittang semhanca vamati kayam hasida jallika.
And filth discharged from the nostrils, bile and phlegm from the mouth, and sweat from the body.
Athassa susirang sisang mattalungassa puritang Subhato manyati balo avidyaya purakhato.
People, led by ignorance, consider this body as wholesome, with a brain filling up the hollow skull.
Yada ca somato seti uddumato vinilako apaviddo susanasmin anapekkhaham piñatayo.
As a dead body, he lies abandoned in a cemetery, and relatives cease to show any care for him.
Khadanti nang suvanna ca sigala ca akakini kakagijja ca khadanti chanye ranti panino.
If his body is not buried or cremated, then his flesh is eaten by dogs, jackals, wolves, worms, vultures, or whatever other animals there may be.
Suttana buddha vacanang bhikkhu panyānamaida Sokonang parijanati atha bhutang hipassati.
In this world, an intelligent person, having heard the Buddha's teaching, understands the body and sees its real nature.
Yatha idang tatha etang yatha tang tathaidan ajjattanca bahidhaca khaye chandang virajaye.
This body was once like you, and you will be like it someday. Contemplating thus, you should give up attachment for this body, internally and externally.
Chandaraga viratto so bhikkhu panyānavāida ajjagāma taṃ santiṃ nibbānaṃ padamachyutaṃ.
When in this world an intelligent person gives up such attachment and passion, he attains the deathless peace, the blissful state of nirvana.
Vipadako yang asuci duggando parihirati nana kunapa paripuro visvanto tato.
This impure, two-legged body, full of decaying substances and producing a foul smell, wanders to and fro in this world.
Etadisena kayena yo manye unnametave parang vāvajāniya kimanyatra adassanāti.
What is it but blindness that makes a person boast or sneer at others for the sake of this body?
Reflection on the loss of children, wealth, etc. Dhanyang dhanang rajatang jatarupang parigrahang capi adatti cinci dasa kamma karapesa ecassa anujino.
Gains, wealth, silver, gold, and whatever property there is, slaves, craftsmen, domestic servants, and all the dependent ones.
Sabbang adaya gantabbang sabbang nikkipagaminang yanca karoti kayena vācāya udacetasa.
All these have to be abandoned when leaving, but whatever one does through the body, word or thought,
Sanhitassa sakang hoti tanca adaya gacchati tancassa anugang hoti chayava anapayini.
that alone belongs to him, that alone he takes with him, and that alone follows him like his own shadow.
Sabbe satta marissanti maranang tang hijitang yatha kammang gamissanti punya papa phalopaga Nirayang papa kammanta punya kamma ca suggatim tasma kareya kalyanang nityang samparaikang punyani paralokasming patit Tahanti paninanti.
All beings die, life ends in death. Beings are happy or sad according to their own deeds, experiencing the results by their meritorious deeds and sinful deeds. Those who do sinful deeds go to the suffering stage, and those who do meritorious deeds attain happy stage. Therefore, let one always do good deeds, which serve as a store for life elsewhere. Meritorious deeds are a great support to beings in the future life.
Meditation on the impermanency of the body. Anicca vata sankhara uppadaya dhammino uppajjitva niruddhanti te sangupa sukho.
All component things are changeable. They are of the nature of arising and decaying. Having come into being, they cease to be. The cessation of this process is happiness.
Achirang vatayang kayo pathaving adhivesati Siddho apeta viññāno nirattang kalingarang.
Before long, this body will lie on the earth, abandoned and empty of consciousness, useless as a log.
Anabhito tato aga ananunyato ito gato yatha gato tatha gato tattaka paridevana.
Uninvited he has come here. Without approval he has departed from here. Even as he came, just so he has gone. Then what sorrow could there be?
Puttamatti dhanamatti iti balo vihanyati attahi attano natti kuto putta kuto dhanam.
He who lacks understanding worries himself with the thought, I have sons, I have wealth. When he himself is not his own, how can he claim to have sons or wealth?
To meditate on the three characteristics, tilakkana, anicca, sabbe sankhara anicchati yada panyaya passati atha nibbindati dukkhe samaggo visuddhiya.
When one sees with wisdom that all component things are changing, he overcomes misery. This is the path to purity.
Dukkha sabbe sankhara dukkhati yada panyaya passati atha nibbindati dukkhe samaggo visuddhiya.
When one sees with wisdom that all component things are sorrowful, he overcomes misery. This is the path to purity.
Anatta sabbe dhamma anattati yada panyaya passati atha nibbindati dukkhe samaggo visuddhiya.
When one sees with wisdom that all existence is soulless, without a permanent entity, He overcomes misery. This is the path to purity.
Transference of merit to the departed. Idang ho nyati nang hotu sukhitaham tu nyatayo.
Let the merits be acquired by your relatives, and may they be happy.
Idang ho nyati nang hotu sukhitaham tu nyatayo.
Let this merit be acquired by our relatives, and may they be happy.
Idang ho nyati nang hotu sukhitaham tu nyatayo.
Let this merit be acquired by our relatives, and may they be happy. Meditation on loving kindness. The following sentences are to be recited to radiate loving kindness to every living being. The Buddhist way of sympathy, love, and kindness are not limited only towards human beings. Every Buddhist, therefore, must learn how to practice this universal loving kindness for the welfare and happiness of other living beings. This is known as the meditation on loving kindness. One who has trained his mind according to this meditation is free from anger and jealousy, which are most dangerous defilements which always encourage the mind to do harm to others and obstruct the spiritual development of man. By practicing this meditation, one not only helps others to live happily and peacefully, but also helps himself to purify the mind. According to the Buddha, the following immediate results are to be found if one practices this meditation regularly. 1. Sleeps peacefully. 2. Awakes peacefully. 3. Disturbing dreams do not occur. 4. Praising to others. 5. Free from the disturbances that come from evil spirits. 6. Protected by good spirits. 7. No untoward misfortune from fire, poison, and weapons. 8. Concentration is possible quickly. 9. The face takes a pleasing appearance. 10. Death takes place in full possession of the senses. 11. If the stage of sainthood is not reached during this lifetime, he is born in a Brahma world, pure abhorred. For recital. May I be free from enmity, disease, and grief, and may I guard myself happily. As I am, so also may my teachers, preceptors, parents, intimate, indifferent, and inimical beings be free from enmity, disease, and grief, and may they guard themselves happily. May all beings be void of enmity, disease, and grief, and may they take care of themselves happily. May all those who have arrived at a state of individuality be void of enmity, disease, and grief, and may they guard themselves happily. May I be free from envy. May I be free from jealousy. May I be free from malice. May my beloved parents be well and happy. May my loving brothers and sisters be well and happy. May my kind teachers be well and happy. May my dear friends and relatives be well and happy. May my dutiful servants be well and happy. May all the non-friendly be well and happy.